Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how to reduce the noise and do the baseline correction for this XRD data. So right click here and go to smooth. So this is the degree at which we want to do our smoothness. Click smooth, and this highlighted graph is our resultant smooth graph, that is reduced noise. We can change the degree and check what kind of graph we have here. Like this, we can change the degree again, and this one. So any graph you like, you can just smooth and then accept it, replace. This is now our smooth graph with a lot of reduction in noise. So we still need to do baseline correction. Go here, right click and determine background. So the green line here is our baseline, so we can do the bending line here. So if you increase the degree, the baseline is going up, and it can omit some peaks here as well, so we don't want that, so bring it down. Like this. And I think for this data, this baseline is very well suited, so subtract, and this will be our resultant XRD data, so replace it. So this is now our smooth and baseline corrected XRD graph. Like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.